Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I created this half cut crease with the blue glitter liner. So let's get started. I'm first taking the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. This is what it looks like, and I'm taking the top middle shade, which is this orange color, and I'm using this as my transition shade, and I'm applying this with a BH Cosmetic 101 blending brush. So I'm really going to blend this color up. As you can see here, these Huda Beauty eyeshadows blend so great, you guys. I really like these, and they don't have a ton of fallout. Next, moving on to this deeper orange shade, I'm going to place this right in the crease. Next, I will be taking this dark purple shade, and I'm placing this also in the crease just to deepen up the look. And to deepen up the look even more, I'm just going to be placing a black eyeshadow in the outer areas only with my Sigma E25 brush. Next, I will be cutting my crease with the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer, and this is the brush that I always use to cut my crease and to also clean up my brows. This is a BH Cosmetic brush. It came in the same kit as the blending brush, so I'll have the link down below if you guys are interested in these brushes. So yeah, I'm just cutting my crease halfway. And right on top, I will be placing this matte beige shade in the palette, and I'm placing this with a Sigma E54 brush. I really like this brush to pack on eyeshadows on the lid. So for the glitter liner, I will be outlining my wing with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. And if you mess up on this part, it is okay, because the glitter will fix any little mistakes, and you can always go back and clean your wing up with concealer. For glitter, I'm using this chunky blue glitter that I got from Michaels, and the glue I'm using is my eyelash glue. It's the green duo eyelash glue. I love the applicator on that. It's just easier to apply, but when I put glitter on my entire lid, I don't use eyelash glue. I use a glue specifically for glitter. I use the eyelash glue just for like glitter liners or, you know, little lines of glitter. But right here, I'm just picking up this chunky blue glitter one by one, because if you put too much at a time, it could clump up and not look so cute. And for lashes, I'm using the Let's Get Mink lashes in the style Fierce. So onto skin, I'm first going to be moisturizing with this Pond's face cream. This is so good if you have dry skin or if you just need that extra moisture in your skin. It is great for this cold weather that we're having. It's non-greasy. I really love it, and it is very affordable. You can find it at any drugstore. So next, I will be applying the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal on my face as well to give me that extra glow. And I'm blending this in with this cute brush that I picked up from Marshall's. And I just want to say that I do wear this highlighter alone some days with just like mascara and a gloss. So if you guys want to see like a no makeup look, please let me know down in the comments. I really love this liquid highlighter. Look how pretty it is. Gives you a nice healthy glow. So for foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Tan, and I really love this foundation. It's full coverage, it's affordable, it blends so nicely, and yeah, I'm just placing this all over my face, and I'm gonna blend this all out with my Real Technique sponge. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand, and I'm also going to be applying the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny, and I'm going to blend all of this out with the same sponge. So I've already went ahead and set my concealer with airspun powder. So onto contour, I'm using the NYX Highlight and Contour palette. I really love the powders in this palette, and the brush I'm using is this small contour brush that I got in a brush set from Marshall's. And I don't have the name, I don't have the number or anything. I've had this brush forever. I had most of my brushes that I use in my videos for a very long time, so the numbers and stuff, they just faded away. So I always go back over my contour with just a large powder brush because I don't like harsh contours. And I'm taking now my Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray to set my makeup. I'm going to quickly add some blush. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the color Mellow Wine. I really like this blush. It's really pigmented and the color is really nice, and I'm applying it with a Real Techniques blush brush. So for highlighter, I decided to use the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight my face with my large fan brush, and I'm also going to be applying this on my brow bone. So I've already smoked out my lower lash line with the 2 orange shades that I used in the crease. So now for my waterline, I'm adding this new Kiss Cosmetics Luxury Eye Crayon in the color Orange Brown. I really love these eye crayons. Like, they're so nice and pigmented. And after that, I'm applying this Wet n Wild Mega Plump Mascara. And for lipstick, I will be applying the Ruby Kisses matte lipstick in the shade Brown Sugar, and I did apply gloss right on top, which is the Kiss Cosmetics lip gloss in Bailys Vanilla. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you do recreate this look, please tag me. I would love to see it. And that is all. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!